How we doing? Is it better? Okay. I adjusted a few things. So hopefully that does it. Much better? Jesus Christ, it was that bad? I just might have been... That might have just been the troll of the century. In which case, fuck all of you. And if not, fuck all of you. Alright. We're gonna try this. We're gonna try this shit again. If it doesn't work here, please pay attention to headlines within the South Florida area, because I'll probably get suicided. You are better now, I'm too white to say that word. I play guitar, I'm wearing a leather jacket. My 9 to 5 is software development. I am simply too white to even allude to that word. Oh my god. But no, I swear I have the pass. It's in my back pocket. I can say it. I can say it. Okay, Dave's Daily Treats. Okay. I keep it right next to my library card. Oh my god, Tara! Oh, shit! Hold on, chat. Hold on. Play it cool. I gotta act like she's not there. Just tell me if she looks at me. Tell me if she... Fuck! Where's the scene? Shit. Guys, play it cool. Play it cool. Play it cool. Try to get her to sit next to me, though. But, like, don't make it obvious. Fuck! Alright, let's do it. Shit. There we go. Okay, alright. Anybody? By the way, Tara, you're gorgeous. And thank you for being here. Chat. You're right. You're right. Yeah. You're not bad. You're not bad. You know, no, it's a fucking fact. I'm the best fucking looking one here. All right. Listen. Fuck the DD. I mean, like, look at this. Look at the boil right here from, you know, thicker beard hair growing in because I'm just now hitting puberty at 22. You know, the fucking gap tooth right here because, you know, I didn't fucking listen to my orthodontist about not fucking my braces up and trying to take them off myself because I hated having them on. You know, it's fine. Everything's cool, dude. All right. Let's get back to this for the third time. Okay, stop simping. Get to the point. Fuck you, Saul. But you're right. Okay. I'm gonna try this again. Anybody that wants to get some karma on Reddit, first off. But truly, though, anybody... I don't ask for this often, okay? I will never ask you to leave a like just to leave a like. I'll never ask you to sub just to have a sub. If you enjoy what I do. If you want to see my shit more, right? If you don't like it what I do, right? Any of those things. You're more than welcome to, respectively speaking in sequential terms here. You can leave a like. You can subscribe. Fucking dislike it. I don't give a shit. But do what you think is deserved. Or fucking don't do anything at all. I don't care. I don't ask for it much. This is a big deal here. I tweeted earlier a couple hours ago. I found a bombshell. This is it right here. Okay? What I'm about to explain. Fucking please share the stream. I don't know. Fucking share it with your grandmother. Ken Griffin. You know. Yo, Net, thank you, man. Thank you. How do I send a super chat? Oh, shit. Here we go. Okay, please. For real, though. If you feel as though any of those things are deserved, feel free to do them. I took this DD from Dave's Daily Trades, who definitely didn't take it from me. Just for background, the motherfucker literally plagiarized the first chart that I published that started to go around the community a lot. He took the TradingView chart that I made a bullshit fucking Microsoft MS Paint fucking atrocity copy of it, and then tried to make a video out of it. And then I called him out and he deleted my comments. And then I tweeted him out. And then all of you crazy fucks went and reminded him what reality was. And he quickly apologized. So, anyhow, fuck you, Dave. For real. You're a piece of shit. Okay. So, I'm going to get on with it here. So, the cycle, I made a video about it not too long ago. About 12 hours ago now. It's one of the first fucking videos that you'll see if you look at my channel, because it's been going crazy. It's been popping off. If you need context as to what's going on here, go watch that video. It's a known fact I still love Sam's DD, and he thanks me for it. Yeah, I look at Tara's DDs all the time. It's great. She has excellent DD. Okay. Let's fucking see you guys on Twitch. I hope that wasn't too far. No, it was never too far. We're gonna keep this shit going. So, if you need context for any of the explanations here, or just background info, go look at that video. In the meantime, though, if something comes up that I think needs explaining, I'll do a quick version of it on the fly. In depth, though, go look at that previous video. That's my reverend. Goddamn fucking right. Hallelujah. Long on OnlyFans. Okay, JK. Worthless now. So, let me get to the point here. I'm so sorry. A full cycle will look like... If I can fucking find what I'm looking for here. Yeah, here's what a full cycle looks like right here. Okay? The key features of it. In fact, there might be a better one back here. Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, this is gonna get fucking crazy. Okay, we're gonna go and do this real quick. My bad. I gotta go back a little bit here. This is so fucking frustrating, man. Like I'm trying to look for where one starts, and it's so difficult because you look for one and then you find part of one and then you think you found it, and then JK, it's a part of another one. Here we go. Here's a full cycle right here. Just fucking kidding again. Hold on. This is driving me fucking insane. Because this whole entire time, it's been a part of the downward... The fractal on that it's under has been in a downward pattern this whole entire fucking time. So when I go and look for it, it just descends. Okay. I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. This has been going on for 6 months. This has been 6 months of my life. Okay? Up until a few days ago, I didn't realize that I was staring at the same thing repeatedly. Fuck it, I'm going back to January. I'm going back to January. There we go. You fucking dumbass. Okay, restart the clip, restart the clip, restart everything. Restart everything. Yeah, okay. So here's your full cycle. And God, I wish there was a 1 minute chart for this. It doesn't go back far enough. This is a full cycle. It's hard to tell without extra candles in between. Because having that granularity and detail within the candles helps a lot. But that requires at least a 3 minute chart for GameStop. It's also found in AMC. This is all over AMC. But this is what a cycle looks like right here. Okay? So you surge upward, and then you have your cup and handle form. You know, you can try the TA thing, but we now realize that TA doesn't fucking mean a damn shit in this. You retest, right? And then you descend back down. You have what I call the double Dorito, because it's two triangles. This is where you just melt down and trade sideways, and then you think you're coming back out of it, and psych, bitch, no you're not, and you get tugged back down. And then after that second iteration, you melt back up, retesting where the fucking Dorito formed at, wherever it fell down from. And then you have what I call the ice climbing pick dagger thing, the incline whipsaw. It looks like a golf flag tilted sideways, or the ice picker dagger climbing thing. I call these incline whipsaws, right? Where you have a lot of upward movement occur at once, and then you converge to a flat point. If you can see on this chart with the wicks, you can see where that happens, and it looks like this, and it looks like your chart is just gonna fall through, and no, it doesn't. And then within 24 hours, the thing skyrockets 500%. Okay? This is how you know that you've completed an iteration of the cycle. It could be a micro iteration or a macro iteration. It's all dependent on what time frame you're viewing it from. It's all relative, okay? So this is a full cycle right here. Now understand something. Understand something here, that you can go to any interval on AMC and GameStop, and you can see this pattern form. It's fucking uncanny. It's uncanny. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Okay? Look. I'm going to change this to the 21 minute because the 15 minute had too much granularity and it was going off the screen. So remember when we had that second run-up happen in February? Right? Look what everything looked like before it happened. Let me be clear real quick, okay? Let's be as fucking transparent as possible as to what you, the viewer, and I, the retard, are seeing here. What the fuck? Why is it not? Oh. Oh, you motherfuck. Just do the thing. Okay. This is from February 19th to February 24th. This is a week of trading, okay? This right here is December 21st of 2020 to January 12th of 2021, okay? This is a 21-minute candle chart. This is a 2-hour candle chart. These time frames are completely separate. And the way that the time window is being divvied up, completely different. Okay? This pattern happens all over the place. Now let's go and look back at when GameStop first rose to the heavens. Okay? And I'm going to keep the current chart up of where we're at now. So this is the January run, and this is literally today. This is present. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to pick the 90-minute, so hour and a half candles. Let's go all the way back. Let's rewind the clocks. Back when, you know, retail trusted somewhat what was going on with their money. Back when capitalism and the free market were free and not corrupt. Let's take a look here. Okay. So, yeah. This was December 22nd to January 12th again. I think it's actually the same chart. Yeah, it's basically the same chart down here. Okay. This thing went from $15 to $22. All right. These are the same charts, by the way, just one more time so we're clear, because I'm going to be going separate here. So let's see what happens after this, all right? We have our classic pattern, okay? This is a full cycle happening where you go up, you come back down, you retest, and then you melt down, double Dorito, and you rise back up with your incline whipsaw, right? Again, these two are the same charts. They're now going to move separately. It has a run, okay? And it keeps going. And it keeps going, and it keeps going, and it keeps going, and it keeps going. Okay, the thing hit, what was that, $480? What was that? No, this was like 500. I can't read it. Yeah, it was 500 something. But look what happens here before that second run. Okay, so now we're back to looking at the same chart. There was a run with it that happened. And I need to decrease my chart interval here. What was this day? January 6th. Fuck. Oh, I forgot. I can't go this far back because of, oh, there's no data for it. Fuck me. Okay. This sucks. Okay. Fuck my life. Fuck my life. But look, you have a little cycle happening in between right here. These are the same time windows right here, okay? You can see the crosshair moving. Look at how in between all of these you have cycle or fractals of a cycle happening within it. Look, this is let's see, this is 3 days of trading. This is almost a month of trading. Look, it's all over the fucking place, man. It's all this is all the charts are. This is what the charts are. The same fucking thing over and over and over and over. Okay? Here's the bombshell though. Now that I can I just realized I've been saying this for almost an hour now. Here's the bombshell. Here's the bombshell. You notice how you have the double Dorito here? Right? Let's remember what chart this is. This is the 4-hour chart. This is 8 months of trading, people. Almost 9 months of trading. Okay? This is the double Dorito. This is the double Dorito of the $500 fractal. Okay? So what kind of movement can we anticipate with the double Dorito ascending back up? This is fucking crazy. Let's Zoom out. Let's just take some samples here. This was 16%, but mind you, this is a microfractal. You have another cycle happen after it, right? Right here, the same thing. If I increase the width here, or the height of the chart, it's the same fucking thing. It's the same thing. You run up, come back down, you retest with this wick right here. Down, back up. You retest again, melt down. Your double Dorito, you melt back up. And then because of how much these candles are being grouped time-wise, you can't see the incline whipsaw. So, okay. What does this mean? Here's my point. I want to go to the run-up. I want to go to right before the run-up in January. Let me change this. Fuck you. Oh, just let me fucking do the thing. Just go away. Just let me remove the fucking... Okay, so this is the January squeeze. Right here. That's where we're at currently. I'm gonna go back before... Right before GameStop ran to $500. I'm switching this to the day chart so there's more grouping. And I need to increase the size of this so you can see the verticality of everything. This is January right here. This is the January run. And I'm going to change this to the 2 hour. JK, 3 hour. Is this showing it? Okay. I think this has it. I think you can see it. I think you can see it. Does anybody see what I'm seeing? Does anybody see what's going on here? Okay. This is right before the thing ran up all the way to $500.
Harrison donated 20 pounds through Super Chat. TLDR, eat, sleep, rave, rippy, 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 eat, sleep, rave, rippy.
How the fuck is this still going? Thank God. Thanks for your money, bitch. Thank you, Harrison. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So it is... You fucker. Does anybody see what I'm seeing here? Yeah, tax-free, by the way. Hallelujah. Does anybody see what I'm seeing here? Call it out in chat. I don't care. You can be right or wrong. I'm not going to bust your balls for it. This is right before the thing ran all the way to $500. This is January to present on the top. This is right before January. You could call it a triple Dorito. Here's what's funny, though, is that the triple Dorito isn't a double Dorito because of how much time you're seeing within, or how many candles you're seeing with the same amount of time, so to speak. There's more granularity. I'm gonna help you out. Take this movement and compress it so that it's more so just straight up. Take the average of this entire movement. Right? So imagine candles that just go up like that, and then you come back down. Higher highs? Yes. See, now you guys are feeling how I felt for the past fucking 6 goddamn months. You think it's a quadruple Dorito. JK, you zoom out and you're like, oh fuck, nope. Now I'm outside of the fractal. This doesn't make any sense. And then you try to zoom back in, and then you get lost because you think you see what you saw before, but it's actually just a piece of what you saw before because it looks the same as the entire piece from. Now you're getting it. Now you're getting it. All right. Look at the log version of the day chart. We are primed for a ripping in the next month or so. In the next couple days. Both of these are the log chart, by the way. But good call, because that's very important. The log chart is what allows for the scaling to all be the same. Yeah, Tara, thank you for being here, my dear. Thank you. Okay, so I'll do you guys a solid here. So when you have an event where you need to compress your candles, right? When you realize that the fractals you're looking at are subfractals of what you're looking for, you just need to increase the grouping, right? So I'll go from the 3 hour to the 4 hour, right? This is all the way back in September, right? And now look what happens when I do that. Now I can get rid of this fucking bullshit right here. All right. So now it's grouped and aggregated those candles together. Looks a little bit more familiar, right? Because all of these candles are filled with the same looking candles across shorter amounts of time. When did the fractal start to form? Right before COVID happening in the States. It was right when headlines were coming out from China. So I'm going to change this to the day chart now. Like, you can't fucking be serious, man. Like, it's the same shit. Here's the fucking bombshell, though. The larger time interval that you're viewing a fractal from and trying to reference against another fractal of, okay? The larger of a time interval that a fractal forms, the more aggressive the movements subsequent will be. Okay? Look. And let me finish that point real quick, and then I'll get into the explanation. So you guys, I can stop fucking teasing the shit out of you guys, not even intentionally. The next movement is the Moaz, okay? Without a doubt. This is the 1 day chart. Right here. Showing the next upward movement. Right before the next upward movement. Okay? I showed you what the cycle looks like, what a full fractal looks like, right? You see it on the 1 day chart. Okay? This is why Wall Street, the Fed, and the government are all sounding the alarms as quietly as possible. Because look, This is the crescendo here, okay? Before GameStop ran all the way to what was it, 38, 40? Just over $40. Okay? Right before GameStop had this run. Okay? Wait. Yeah, okay. So, oh, you motherfucker. Trying to keep it as proportionate as I can with what's on top. Okay. So you see how, fucking goddamn it. Hold on. Hold the fucking phone. Yeah, okay. This shit is so confusing. I can't. It's been 6 months of this shit, dude. 6 fucking months. And I just now figured out that it all just revolves within itself. As you complete one cycle, you've started another. As you complete one cycle, you're adding to another. You're adding to the one on top of it by completing one below it in time frequency. Okay, so let me get to the fucking chase here. I'm so sorry. You see how it wasn't until, all right, before the $500 move. Right now, it was at $1540 all the way back in December. Right? This was a complete cycle right here. We ran all the way up to 40. Okay? And I gotta increase the size here. It's hard to capture this. This was like just the tip. Not even. No, this was like whipping it out of the MOAS, right? This wasn't even at the tip. This was just whipping it out. This was just hearing, like, seeing the lump in Keith Gill's pants that was ensuing. Where'd you go, motherfucker? Okay. So, you went from 15 to 21, right? This was the first completion. This was one of the first iterations. After this, you then jumped. You jumped to 50, okay? Right? This is number 2. Then, you jump to fucking 500, okay? Every third interval is amplified. Every third fractal on the same time interval becomes amplified. So now look. Look how many fractals of significance have happened. Okay? Here's your 1. This is all the way back in April, actually. Apparently. Zoom out. Your 2. Happening right here. Where'd you go, bitch? Nope. Oh, god damn you. It's right here. If you have to look between... I don't want to have to keep jumping. Between September to January, you have the next major fractal occur on your day chart. Look what the fuck is happening here. Look what the fuck is happening. It's exponential. It's exponential. This is your double Dorito. And it's flavor blasted as fuck. Okay. Let's look at AMC. It was 1 hour. All right. It's just about completed the double Dorito. Actually, no, it did. It did. It did complete the double Dorito. Right? It's... listen. I'm telling you. This is irrefutably. I have so much fucking confidence. This is not financial advice, by the way. I have so much confidence in what is about to happen. And what is about to unfold. And with all of the fucking writing on the walls, okay? All of the regulation, all of the big name fucking players hoarding up on GameStop and AMC. You have, pension funds and teachers union funds all buying in to what Jim Cramer, America's voice of the investment opportunity. You have Charles gasping for breath because he can't even fucking breathe from all the dumb shit that he says. He's out of breath from how much fucking bullshit is spewed from his mouth. All of these people who are trying to then tell you that it's not a wise investment. It's fundamentally overvalued. It does not have any value. This is utter nonsense. Right? When Jim Cramer tells you to do one thing, you do the other and you'll make money. The writing's on the walls. We've captured the cycle. We know what it looks like. Okay? This is yeah, the best hedge fund manager of all time, tripling his stake. Is there a chance? I'm sorry to have to ask. You're fine, man. You're always okay to ask a question here. But is there a chance this is set up by algos, knowing someone's spot pattern and has once we're all in? No. I mean, sure, there's a chance. I'm saying a chance because there are no absolutions in life. The chance has a numerical value, 1 in a trillion. Zoom out. Holy fuck! Wait. Wait, my... This top chart goes all the way back to 2019. The top chart is 2 years of trading. This is 2 years. This chart on the bottom is from 2 months ago. From June to now. This is 2 years. Oh, fuck. I told you, when you see it, you won't unsee it. You know okay, somebody was calling out for a George W. earlier. There's been a joke that I came up with when I was first learning about chart patterns, I don't remember when the fuck it was. Months ago. Okay? I loved the idea. I loved Trey's coining of the George W. Right? It's great. It's catchy. It's fun. I then super chatted Matt Kors saying, "Hey, look at that cock and ball pattern forming on the 5-minute." He didn't read my super chat. But I've always gone with the cock and ball, right? And there's a very good reason for it. Because a W implies that your bottoms would happen at the same horizontal plane. Because a W has equidistant verticality from that of which is the top. Whereas the cock and ball is an evolution. A cock and ball recognizes the idea that one ball always hangs lower than the other. And that right there, my friends, is what we call the cock and ball. And then right after, right on chunder, you have the shaft form. So we call George W. as cock and balls around here. So look, here's a triple cock and ball right here, matching up on the chart. Same pattern. And then look where we're at. If you line things up, here's your triple cock and ball. You run up, fall back down, fall back down. You could call this a cock and ball right here, right? And you fall back down though. Down, rise back up, down, down, up, and oh, would you look at that? 300% gain. No, I'm sorry. No, that's like a 900% gain right there. And then look where we're at. This top chart is from fucking 2019. Okay? I just lined these charts up. This is 2 years of trading. This is a month and a half down here now. Make that look so easy? But it isn't? No, it's just confusing. It's just confusing. It's whoever designed this was a fucking genius. Because here's what happens is, one, it looks like natural movement, right? For what you would consider natural to be in the stock market. Like, obviously, everyone knows that algorithms are doing most of the trading on the market, right? And retail orders get packaged up into what an algorithm then optimizes for the most liquidity in markets. Okay? That's fine. So people aren't too privy to having to worry about what algorithms are doing, because algorithms make things look normal. Because, yeah, they should look normal because they're taking human input. It makes sense. Here's where things get confusing, though. And whoever fucking did this is a genius. Okay? When you have... I'm gonna pull up a bunch of charts that your typical person doing TA would have up. Okay. We'll have a, yeah. No. There you go. Okay. So, you know, we'd have our 1 day up here, right? And we'd have maybe, you know, we'd want to have track of maybe the past 3 months just so we know where we're at trend-wise. We'd have our active trade window down here, so we'll put this to the 1 minute on the 1 day. And then we'd have the week pulled up, so we'll pull up the week, and I don't really like having the week on the 5 minute, or I'd rather put it on the 10 personally. So, okay, this goes back to roughly the past week right here. Oh, that's fucking crazy. The past week looks like what we saw in 1 day. Huh. Crazy, right? Look at this shit. Yeah. Yeah, this was today, or yesterday, right? Today's the 21st? Yeah. This was August 20th right here. This is August 10th to August 23rd, right? August 21st. Or 20th, I mean. Right? This is 1 day. This is 2 fucking weeks. Let me repeat that one more time. If you think I'm exaggerating this, if I'm reading too much into this, please tell me. Please tell me, okay? I will not take offense. And I always ask that you guys give me reality checks when I need them. If I am misinterpreting the value of something or some argument or whatever, call my bullshit out. Okay? But look at this fucking shit. This is 1 day. This was Friday's trading session, people. This was Friday's trading session. This was 2 weeks of trading right here. This is 2 weeks of trading. This is 1 day. This is fucking, what, 6 hours? One trading session. 10 trading sessions. Chat, please tell me, am I delusional? Am I misattributing emotion? No, I'm asking for a reality check. Tell me, do you think this is fucked up? Do you think that this is not manipulation? Look, I'm going to zoom in now, right? This is on the 10-minute interval. This is the 1 minute. Look how this crosshair right here, where my cursor is, translates to movement over here. Look, this entire movement, okay, is composed of these 1 minute candles. You zoom out. All of these other movements are going to be composed of 1 minute candles. That will look the exact fucking same. Okay, let's go up. Let's proportionally increase our time intervals here. I'm gonna go from the 10-minute here to the, let's see, this would be the 1 minute. So I would need to change this to, I'm gonna change this to the 30-minute. Okay, and so that's a 3x increase. I'm gonna change this to the 3 minute, from the 1 minute to the 3 minute. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, would you look at that? This chart on the right, this is the 30-minute chart, goes from July 16th to today, okay? Just over a month. This chart right here, the 3-minute, goes from July 30th to today, okay? Let's zoom in a little bit on the smaller time frame chart. Oh my god. I think I've seen this before. In fact, this looks like it's just continuing into the next chart. That's how natural it looks. This is August 10th. In August, this is 2 days of trading. Right here, this is a fucking month of trading. Oh, let me just zoom out. Maybe I'm just cherry picking here. Let me just zoom out. Oh, what is it doing it again? Let me just zoom out some more. Oh. Maybe a little bit more? Maybe, I don't know. Let me move. Oh. And here's like a full fractal. This was GameStop's and AMC's price chart on January 28th, right here, this exact shape, on June 2nd. So this is our price action. This has been our price action for the past 2 weeks. This was the price action before we ran to $70. Right here, back in June. It's the fractal before the run-up. Chat. This fractal right here was right before the run-up in June. This is what our chart looks like presently. Do you guys understand what I'm saying right now? Do you understand what I'm getting at here? Why right now go containing these run-ups though? Risky? Because it's the most efficient way to mitigate damage. Oh, holy fuck. Look at this. Look at this. I just realized this. I just now. There you go. When was this? This is 8-9. What the fuck? You have eagle eyes for charts? Nope. Just, I've been rendered insane by trying to figure this out for over 6 months. This has been going on for a long time, people. When you see it, you can't unsee it. Did our diamond hands break Wall Street? Yeah. This is why I've been saying we've already won. We've already fucking won. That's... I've been saying it for the longest fucking time, man. The longest fucking time. There's no such thing as TA for these charts. If you're using TA, if you watch someone that uses TA that is trying to capture what the trader sentiment is, oh, the RSI appears to be this and the MACD is that. No, I mean, yeah, data-wise, yeah, but it has nothing to do with trader sentiment. It's something is fucked up here, and they can't stop it. It's already been won, my friends. It's already been won. It's been won. It's been won for almost a year now. I have my money on the idea that regulation and making sure the market doesn't entirely fucking collapse is what is being waited on. You can't stop it. Let's see. Sam, if I take May 26th on the fib and carry it to 77.26, reads 423.26. Yeah. Yeah. Probably more so. It's the second iteration. This is basically one macro fractal behind of GameStop. Look at this shit. You ready for this? Let me blow your fucking minds. And for any of the dickheads out there on either side of AMC and GameStop who are some zealot, shall we say, pompous dicks who think that there needs to be a separation between the two, this is for you. This was moments before GameStop shot up to $500 a fucking share. AMC is one macro fractal behind GameStop. Yes, GameStop takes the cake as far as what makes a good fundamental squeeze play. Here's the fucking deal, though, my man. These are traded the exact same thing. One of them is just one step ahead of the other. One was shorted before the other. Cyclically speaking, because GameStop has been getting raped by Wall Street for a very long time, there are billions of FTDs going back to, I think, 2004? That have existed? Okay? I will give GameStop that. And I just love GameStop. But I also love AMC. And I know AMC's been raped by Wall Street as well. Okay? So, let me make this very fucking clear for you, alright? The only thing that's different about them is their fucking tickers. That's it. They get traded the same. Grow the fuck up. You're taking away from both sides by being an overzealous, pompous prick. Trying to say, oh, it's GameStop this, GameStop that, and AMC this, AMC that. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. It's pointless. It's childish. That you want to talk about the hedgies winning and the hedgies trying to manipulate this and that? The hedgies are winning by fucking getting the two sides that are driving one of the biggest financial movements in history to go after each other when they're on the same side. Just like how in modern day society, some people are stupid enough to say, hey, you're black, you're stupid. Hey, you're white, you're stupid. Hey, you're Christian, you're stupid. Hey, you're Muslim, you're stupid. You're from here, I'm from there, so you must be stupid. It's the same shit. And you fell for it if you're one of the fucking dickheads on Twitter trying to tell me why there's more share dilution in AMC than there is GameStop, and GameStop, and AMC has a larger community in it. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. And grow up. It's the same thing. One is behind the other. That's it. Okay? I take no side in it. And neither should you. Grow up. These were shorted in pairs. Okay? Where there's a ratio trade happening. Where for every 10 of GME, there's 5 AMC that are also shorted. For every whatever this, whatever that, there is some ratio that was used here. They're traded the same as far as corrupt, algorithm-based trading goes. I love them both. Personally, I like GameStop a little bit more. And that's just because I've been a gamer all my life. And gaming's what got me into programming. And programming is what got me into this. That's just personal, though. That's just my preference. Okay? And you can still like me. You can still hate me. I don't give a shit. Okay? You can like one or the other more. I'm not gonna fucking judge you. Just don't be a cunt about it. Okay? Yeah, sometimes I eat popcorn and play video games too. Very well fucking put, Lex. I like that a lot. Yeah. Yeah. No, there are, Eddie. There are. Oh, and by the way, if you guys ever get clips of the stream, please send them to me. In fact, if someone could send me that clip of that rant, that'd be greatly appreciated. Because I'm trying to not only look like Jesus, but also be the Jesus of the communities and make all of us retards realize it's the same fucking side that we're on. And if you're one of those people who has to be overzealous, overcommitted, and has to virtue signal over their fucking acronym of letters that represents a company, because just shut the fuck up. Just fucking don't be a child. Don't be a territorial dick. It's that fucking simple. You understand how much more power there is in a movement when there isn't division between one side? You know? How do you really destroy the other side of something? With guns and bullets and mortar strikes and fucking bombings? It helps. What if you separate the enemy at a fundamental level, where instead of you fighting them, you make them fight themselves? Huh? Vietnam? The Middle East? It happened in America not too long ago, only 3 generations ago. Can this pattern detect the peak of the MOAS? Maybe, potentially. I think this gets shut off when the MOAS starts. There's a reason why this is trading the way it is, and the reason why it hasn't changed. I'm gonna jump in a few because I'm fucking exhausted. I haven't slept. How high do you think AMC will get? I have no fucking clue. Anybody who claims otherwise, crucify them. There are too many variables at play and too much sheer chaos during a squeeze to try and predict. And anybody who claims to know, unless they have the math, no fucking trend lines, none of that bullshit, because all of those things go out the fucking door the moment that you have major financial players starting to buy in at whatever price is named. Because they have to. They don't get to wait a couple minutes to see if it goes back down. It's no. You do it right now, or I'm going to invoke every legal right that I have that you signed a contract with to liquidate everything you fucking own. That's what happens if you decide to wait. Just a couple minutes. Please, Mr. Rothschild, just please give me 5 minutes. I just swear to God. Van, I will. Yeah, Van, go ahead and link your DD. This Van Cleavage's DD, it's excellent. It explains at the economic level why this has to happen. The transfer of equities, of stock, is a byproduct of why this has to happen. The thing producing the byproduct, the reason why it has to happen, is because of pristine collateral requirements and the fact that the entire economy is about to rape itself in inflation and the devaluation of the US dollar, which is the world's currency, that is losing its value every day because we can't get our hands on what's called pristine collateral, treasury notes. Treasury notes are what allow us to deflate, because then we can send all of what would be normally cash injection, which is front-loading the problem, to the back via future cash, right? We get cash back into the system without printing it from those who have it. And then we are taking that total amount with a little bit of interest and dispersing it. So instead of just releasing the floodgates, you open up a few canals at a time and you let things trickle over time instead of all at once. But who has those fucking notes? I'll let you guess. John, I did a video about it earlier yesterday. It's a quick video. It's super fast. And so was the one before that, actually, now that I think about it, where I explained the chart, or the theory in general. I'll answer you right now. It looks like Monday is either going to be a straight shot up, and that's when we have what was like May 28th through June 2nd. That was when we ran from $16 to $72. Right? Or Monday will be an day, and then Tuesday is when the shoot up happens. Jeff, I don't think it would, because the algorithm that we're seeing and have been seeing, to me, if you look at one standard cycle, this is what a single cycle looks like, aka a fractal. All right? You run up, you have this crazy upward movement. Crazy upward movement. You come down, you try to retest, shot down, and then you slowly get dragged under. You have what's called the double Dorito, which are these square... Or, what the fuck? Why the fuck am I broadcasting myself on the internet? How did I even pull that off? It's a double triangle pattern. I call it the double Dorito. Right? We have a giant one right here on AMC. You shoot back up, you retest, and then you have what I call the incline whipsaw, which just looks like ice climbing picks, or like a sideways golf flag that forms. And that's what you have right here. Right? And so then look what happens after. You run up. Well, if we know that this is the end of the pattern, right? Then we should see that right before the start of the pattern that we're talking about. And oh, would you look at that? Here's your incline whipsaws. And oh, would you look at that? Here's another example. There's actually two of them in here. There's actually a lot of them in here. This is one. This is one. Incline whipsaw. Incline whipsaw. This down here, actually, technically is one too. And then you zoom out, and oh, it just makes another big one. And you zoom out some more, and holy shit, it's just one giant one. Because then when we bring in the right side of the image, holy shit, it's been one giant fractal the entire time. This is the 1 hour chart right here. Yeah, it looks like an R. Yeah. R for Rippy. All right, I think I'm gonna get going because I haven't slept yet. Ow. Yep, I just headbutted my microphone without even meaning to. And for some reason, you guys listen to me. Of course, Jeff. Of course. How long do I think the squeeze lasts? Until I blow my entire load. Pringleton? R for Rippy. R for Rippy. Rippy is the word we use around here. Brother. I'll show you real quick. I live stream almost every day of the week. Right now, it's mainly 3 to 4 days a week. Here's some highlights. It's a good time.
What's up, fuckers? Jimbo! Stop it! My tits can only get so hard! What the fucking shit? Fuck you. Get the fuck off my fucking screen. Fuck you, Vlad. Fucking do it again, bitch. I hear AMC and GME are really into BDSM. Never heard of that stock, but I'd go long on it. Did I fucking miss something? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is this shit? You're a bunch of fucking crooks! We got an actual participant who isn't paying me like a cheap hoe. Oh, give it to me, baby, give it to me. Give me your fucking donation money. Put it into that e-basket for me and fucking give me your tax-free fucking money, people. Come on. Come on. Give me your money, bitches.
He's got
Wait,
a point.
where's the chat? Oh, fucking goddamn it. Yeah. Some stock exchanges, not Robinhood, have temporarily halted trading of Hood. Literally right here. Fuck, wrong camera. Bunch of fucking crooks. Up 65 fucking percent. Maybe I'm cherry picking here. I love how my shades! 65% run, halted. 10.5% drop, halted. How the fuck does that work? Give me your fucking money! It's free! It costs $0 to give me your money from your wallet to mine! Where's my shades? Fuck! I drew this trend line, this white, well, it's not even a trend line, just this white autistic illustration. I drew this about an hour and a half ago. Oh, we got a victim! Oh shit, I mean a fucking member of the church! Oh my fucking god! How much, bitch? How much you donate? $1.49? What the fuck? Hi Gerard, my name's Sam. How are you?
This was when no more shares being left on the lit exchanges became a thing. So I tried calling Fidelity. And trying to get an answer.
Not too shabby. I'm kind of in a predicament here. My dad just tried to buy 300 shares of a stock by the ticker of AMC, and the order had a partial fill and then just canceled after about 50. I was just wondering if there's anything going on with your guys' end of things.
Yeah, I can definitely see. And did you happen to have his account number by chance? Or
I don't. He's in and out of meetings, so.
Oh, gotcha. No worries at all. I was gonna say, do you know what type of order it was? Like, was it a market or a limit order?
It was Probably a market order.
That's strange. Like, it's definitely not because there's no stocks or anything available because it's still trading. Like, currently I can see it still, you know, tickers moving up and down, so.
Fuck! Alright, that's fine. Man, I was even doing the Wolf of Wall Street thing.
It's a lot of fun. I'm gonna jet straight into the ground because I'm passing the fuck out. Thank you everybody for being here. I'll be live later today. I've actually got a green screen that I'm picking up. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be real fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So, fucking. Oh, wah. Tony remembers it because she's been here since the fucking beginning. Thank you for your help, Astro. I love you. I love you more, Pumpkin. I took a break from my streaming to have lunch and say hi to you. Oh, fuck. Baboon Ross. Wait, Ross. I didn't roll the R that well that first time. Yeah, I gotta pass out, dude. I'm fucking been up for a while. Travis, great to see you, man. Great to hear from you. Hope you have a good Saturday. And thanks for mod. Fuck you. You're welcome, my man. Thank you for the DD and all the support. Your page is gonna blow up, Brody.
Fucking better. This is the best shit around.
Tony
oh, motherfucker. Tony!
Through Super Chat. Coffee later.
Thank you. You don't have to, and all of the other times you didn't have to, but you didn't have to fucking do that. Thank you so much, though. Starring Ellie, thank you. Thank you. I'm just doing my thing. I owe you guys more of a thank you than you do me. Cynthia, thanks for being here. Thank you. JW. Starring Ellie. Oh, fuck, here we go.
Eli donated $4
the fiver.
Through Super
For a burrito.
And a burrito.
Thank you. I'll add that to the Tendy fund. Tony, I'll see you in a bit. Thank you. Dawes W, thank you for all your info. Thank you. Like I said, I'd be doing this. I say this a lot. I'd be doing this with the camera or without a camera, with one person watching or 1,000 people watching. It's just me doing my thing, and people like to watch it, and people like what I come up with, and it's just what I do. Charlie, my man, sir, it's always a pleasure to see you here. Love all around. It's 5 a.m. in Cali and I haven't slept. I work at 3. Oh, Jesus. At least you got some time. At least you got some time to rest up. 2 bottles of wine deep. Oh, shit. Oh. We're actually going to be doing a Tinder stream sometime soon. And I'm definitely going to be drinking on that. Fetty VWAP. My man. Thank you. I'm surprised you don't get more views. Yet. Tony, my dear, I love you more. You've been here a long time, and you have funded me out of a full-on death from caffeine withdrawal. So thank you. Oh, clonidine may help for sleep. Oh yeah, Jeff. I got your message and I never got to fucking reply to it. I do have a prescription for clonidine. That's what's been frustrating is with a lot of the shit going on. There's one big life decision involving my job. They want me to move to where we operate out of, and it's been extremely difficult to process and to make a decision on. So even with clonidine, it doesn't quite do it for me, just because the emotion, the thoughts that cause emotion, and the neurochemicals that underlie said emotion exceed that of which the clonidine can do for me. So, but I'll be good. Thank you, Jeff. That message meant a lot too, just you reaching out about it. How the fuck do you do that? Vaughn average? What? Oh, right. That's somebody in the chat. I'm a fucking dumbass. I thought it was a typo. I was trying to figure out what the typo would be. If it wasn't a typo. I was dying laughing yesterday when your followers are getting shorted. That was an interesting time. I didn't know how to react to it. I knew that when I tweeted, when I quote tweeted somebody about it, I knew that it was gonna amplify, but I also knew what I was gonna be releasing later that day. So I let it roll. I'm now at I'm plus 2,000 24 hours after the shorting. So, alrighty, I'm getting the fuck out of here and going the fuck to sleep. So, thank you everybody so fucking much for being here. You guys, I don't deserve you guys. I really don't. I really don't. I owe you guys more of a thank you than you do. Wait, yeah, I owe you guys more of a thank you than you guys owe me. And I don't owe any form of it. You don't owe me any fucking words, Jesus. You don't owe me any form of gratitude or appreciation. So, thank you so fucking much. I'm gonna go pass out before I accidentally fucking say something that I didn't mean to that would become a clip on Livestream Fails. So, alright, I'm out of here. Y'all have a good rest of your Saturday. I'll be on later today, tonight, sometime in the near future. Until then, kick some names and take some ass. Cheers.